Hey guys, let's try and make a quicker video this time, a shorter one. So when you're working on electronics, tweezers, magnetized tweezers, it's a nuisance. I've come to start sort of working on my watches, mechanical watches, and in a mechanical watch, magnetism and even magnetized tweezers, that is bad. But here's something. I saw this in, it was an ad, and I just saw a demonstration and I figured, why not? I'll test. There's a link to this one down in the video description. Full disclosure, that is an affiliate link from AliExpress. That means that if something is bought via that link, I make a cent or maybe two, a small amount, and that will help me towards whatever, buying projects, stuff like that. And this is not an affiliate video. I'm not being paid to do this. I am not in any way, shape or form. I bought this with my own hard-earned cash. But dang, this is good. This is really good. I have the EU version, and I'm going to plug it in, and I will show you. Let's see, I'll find a screw, and I'll put this a little bit to the side. And my tweezers right now, there's a little bit of stick, but I've quite recently demagnetized it, and you can see I can almost pick it up because magnetism builds up instantly. I will find, these are an alloy. I will find a steel tweezer and I will show you even better. So I will show you with these, like these are double lot, I think, yeah, high precision. But this one, this is demagnetized. This is steel. Magnetize. And this will, as you can see, it'll really pick up on this. And it'll still stick there. But if you use the demagnetizing here, you sort of just go in, out, and then just follow the steps, because you'll see there's a stepping there, and that will often make it less so, but yeah, for watches this is no good. Really, this is no good. But I have plugged in this one, and all the interface really is, there's a button and an LED. Nothing on the bottom, sides, or the back. There's a button and a crosshairs. This is still magnetized, but it's a little bit better after I demagnetized with the blue one. I will place this on the crosshairs. I just pressed it once, you heard it probably. Oh wow, I can't pick up that screw. It will not pick up the screw. I'll demonstrate again. I'll magnetize. I just twice, and it picks up the screw, and it holds it there. I'll show you again, and this time I'm going to let it go. I'm not going to hold it. All I do is I press the button. You can see it jumps. The LED flashes. It's just that one press of a button. I cannot pick up with magnetism that screw. And because the other tweezer that I had first is an alloy. It's just very little steel in it. It'll still demagnetize it, but it won't jump. Just place it in the circle there. Because there's so little steel in this one, it's mostly titanium, but this one, if I pick it up with holding it, yes, of course, but just, no. But what it does to steel tweezers is just mind-boggling, and just by pressing that one button. So if you're like me and you value your tools and you want to make sure that you don't put magnetism where it doesn't belong, get one of these. Put whatever you're going to demagnetize on this crosshairs. One press of a button, magnetism gone. There will be a video of me tearing into this. It's coming in a few days. But yeah, so I'm interested to see what's inside. But this one, I cannot recommend it enough. Tweezers, screwdrivers, everything that I have that I don't want magnetism in gets a turn on this every time I'm in the shop. So yeah. Links down in the description. I would very much like it if you left a comment, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.